Wednesday, the 23rd of March, the one. So you have to do the using textbook. Exercise 1A, find -5 only. 2C, 3A, find -2 only. B, 3B, 3C, 3D, 5A, B, C, page 10. Then you need to do exercise 5A1 and B, page 11. Exercise 2D, 3B, 4 and 5, page 14. And then exercise 1B and 2B, page 15. Okay, determine the image of the function when the object is given and vice versa. So we look at example 6. Function f x maps to 3x plus 5 over x, where x not equal to 0. This one you must put lah. See why they put this? Because if x is 0, 5 divide 0, you get infinity. Undefined. So it's impossible. That's why it cannot be 0. So you need to find A, the image of 5. So when the object is given is 5, what is the image? So the x replaced with 5. So 5 f5 equal to 3 bracket 5 plus 5 over 5. So from calculator, you get 15 plus 1, 16. So that is the answer. Then the image of 1 over 3 under f. So the object is what x equal to 1 over 3. So want to find image. So replace inside 1 over 3, 3 bracket 1 over 3 minus plus 5 over 1 over 3. Okay, so from calculator, I get this one is 1 plus 15, you get 16. So for the C, the possible value of x when image is 8. So when image is 8 means this one equal to 8. Find the value of x. So 3x plus 5x equal to 8. So to find the x, so because this one x at the bottom, I need to make it all on top. So x you multiply become x power 2. X multiply x over x, you get 5 only. And then 8 times x, you get 8x. Okay, or you multiply all x also can. So you get 3x squared plus 5 equal to 8x. So you need to change to general form. So 8x must change over this side, become minus 8x plus 5. Then from here, using this method, okay, still remember this method from the maths factorization. So okay, let's say I do the factorization for you to see 3x squared, so 3x 3x squared then this one is a 5, means is 5 must be over here because 5 okay, 5 can be over here, so 5 plus 3 you get 8. Okay, or 5 over here 15, 15 minus 1 14 cannot, so 5 must be over here, there must be 1, so 1 times 5 you get 5, so positive. Here is negative. Okay, get both negative, only can get here negative. Okay, so negative negative positive, 5 times 1 5. Okay, then you this one same, then negative 5 times x, negative 5x, and this one is 1 times 3x, positive 3x. Okay, so here become x, so negative 5 plus 3 you get negative, okay, negative, if this one is plus, minus is minus 1, okay. minus 3, sorry, it's not plus. So negative 5 minus 3, negative 8, negative 8x. Or you want to use straight away, you want factorize within bracket also can, even better, means faster, but you must make sure you got the correct answer. Don't make it too fast, in the end you cannot find the correct answer. So put two brackets equal to 0, make sure always equal to 0. So you get, you must imagine, okay, let's say I erase it. Okay. Put two brackets, so it's 5 times 3 times 1, 3, 5 times 1, 5, 5 times 3, 15, minus 1, 14, cannot. So it must be different. So 5 plus 3, you get 8. So 5, okay. So here is 3, 3x, and then you put x. Here also can put x, here 3x also can. It's the same thing. Then from here 5, you can put here or here to test. So if you must imagine, if I put 5 and then 5 with 3 together differently, cannot. So if you read 5 here is the same with the 3x. So 5 plus 3, you get 8. So that is why 3 and 5 together and x and 1 together. Then because here is positive, so make sure both negative, or you can get here negative. Okay. Then you check back your answers. You have 3x minus 5 and then x minus 1. So 5 minus 5 minus 3x, you get negative 8x. Then you get the answer. So that this one transition is correct. Then from here, 3x minus 5 equal to 0, x minus 1 equal to 0, 3x equal to 5, x equal to 5 over 3, then x equal to 1. That is the answer. All about imagination. How you found the answer. So because we want to find the value of x. Then example 7, okay, the diagram shows parts of the graph fx equal to, okay, modulus, I think this one is modulus, okay. Okay, modulus 2x minus 3. Find, okay, 2x minus 3. So you need to get, okay, this is the diagram, part of the diagram. You need to get f negative 2, means you replace negative 2 inside the x, and also you replace the 4 to find two answers. So if f negative 2 replace inside, so 2 modulus 2 bracket negative 2 minus 3, 2 bracket negative 2 minus 3 modulus equal negative 4 minus 3 is negative 7, because modulus answer in the end will be, without the modulus, will be 7, positive only. So when put 4 inside, modulus 2 bracket 4 minus 3 modulus, you get 2 times 4, 8, 8 minus 3, you get 5. So modulus 5 is 5, still positive. Okay, so two answers. So then we continue. The values of x are, okay, something wrong somewhere. Just a bit first. Okay, so want to find x where the image is 5, so equal to 5. So modulus 2x minus 3 equal to 5. Okay, so there are two answers, because it's modulus, when you take off, this one is positive and one is negative. Okay, so negative 5 and one is positive 5. So when it's negative 5, 2x, negative 3 bring over, plus 3. Negative 5 plus 3, you get negative 2. So negative 2 divided by 2, you get negative 1. Now one is negative 3 bring over, plus 3. 5 plus 3 is 8. 8 divided by 2, you get 4. So answer -1 and 4. Then want to find the x when it maps to itself, maps back to x. So this one equal to x. Okay, modulus 2x minus 3 equal to x. Okay, so from here, the x can be positive answer or negative answer when you take off the modulus sign. So from here, the x must be together. Negative x bring over become positive x. 2x plus x is 3x. Negative 3 bring over is positive 3. 3 divided by 3, you get 1. Okay, 2x minus 3 equal to x. X bring over 2x minus x, positive 3. Positive x. Then negative 3 bring over positive 3, you get 3. X equal to 3, so 2 answers. Then you want to find domain of fx less than 1. So you want to find domain, it means find the x, fx is less than 1. So modulus 2x minus 3 less than 1. Modulus 2x minus 3 less than 1. So you have two answers. One is less than 1 and one is greater than -1. Okay, we will take off the modulus sign. Okay, so from here, when you take off modulus sign, so one is positive and one is -1. So you put the symbol like this. So from here, we want to find the x. So 2x -3 bring over here and also here because got two answers. So -3 become positive 3. Positive 3 minus 1, okay, 2. -3 bring over plus 1. -3 is positive 3. 3 plus 1, 4. So from here, 4 divided by 2, you get 2. 2 divided by 2, you get 1. So x is between 1 and 2 because answer in inequality, so answer must be inequality. So from here, the domain fx greater and equal to 3. So this one is greater or equal to 3. Okay. So when you put the modulus sign greater than 3, so there's one 3 and one -3. So the symbol must at least follow. One is less than -3, one is more than 3. That means there are two ways. This one for this situation. Okay, so -1 is here, here is 1. This one is in between. 2x minus 3 is between less than 1 and also greater than -1. So it's between here. So that's why the answer is here. This one you need to separate. Why? Okay, -3 and 3. Okay, one is greater than 3, that means it's over here. And one is less than -3 is over here. That's why 2x minus 3 less or equal to -3. This one 2x minus 3 is greater or equal to 3. So there are two answers. Okay. So from here, okay. Oh wow, wait now. I need to do something. Okay. So from here, there are two answers. You find two answers. So 2x minus 3 less than -3. -3 bring over plus 3. -3 plus 3 you get 0. So 0 divided by 2 you get 0. So x is less or equal to 0. Okay, then this one 2x minus 3 greater or equal to 3. -3 bring over plus 3. 6 plus 3 is 3 plus 3 is positive. So 3 plus 3 is 6. 6 divided by 2, you get 3. So s is greater than 3. That is why the two answers like this. Okay, this one is less than 0 is over here. 1 is greater than 3 is over here. Okay, that's why there are two answers, two inequalities. Okay. And composite functions. So you have to, okay, how to read it? F composed with G of X. Usually we do FGX to read it faster. The way to read actually should be F composed with G of X is defined with, okay, FGX equal F, okay, big bracket G X, big bracket, okay. FGX usually we will separate it two functions, F big bracket GX, or if GFX will be G big bracket FX. So Fx equal to x plus 2 and gx equal to x squared. So we understand from the diagram, okay. So fx, okay, fgx is equal to f big bracket gx. So gx is x squared. Okay, so gx is x squared. It's like this, should be like this. So x squared. So 1 square is 1. 2 square is 4. Then from here we max from here, continue, okay, because we don't want to confuse us, so we put the y here. Y maps to y plus 2, means continue from here. Here is x will change to y plus 2. So from f y of fx change to x plus 2. Okay, so from here 1 plus 2 you get 3. From here 4 plus 2 you get 6. So straight away is the meaning for when you compose together, okay, will become FGX is x squared plus 2. X squared plus 2. That means here 1 become 3 and 2 become 6. 1 become 3, 2 become 6. So 1 square is 1, 1 plus 2 is 3. 2 square is 4, 4 plus 2 is 6. Okay, that's how you understand the thing. So from here, okay, from this situation, okay, how we change to the thing, gx is x squared, so x squared put inside the f, okay, put inside after you solve the inside one, the x is x squared plus 2, x squared plus 2. This is how you compose the thing. So example 8, two functions fx equal to 2x and gx equal to x squared minus 5. If let's say they give the question in this notation form, your answer must be in notation. If your question given is equal form, f bracket x equal to 2x, then your answer can be in equal form. Don't change to notation. Okay, must follow the question. So from here, FG, okay, that means FGX. So you need to find FGX. FGX, that means you put F, then you put big bracket GX. Okay, maybe you ask, teacher, do I need to really show this way when I do the workings? Actually, you follow the steps so that you won't forget easily. If you don't follow the steps and you always try to jump faster, you might make mistakes very often. Okay, that's why I still remember, although many years I didn't teach, I still remember how to solve it using the steps given. Okay, because I remember the step and how to solve it without referring to the, or I read back the example, I can straight away can remember back again. Okay, that is the why we must follow the steps given. I already try to simplify for you the steps. Okay, so from here, Some of the steps I don't simplify so that you can understand the example. If I follow to simplify the thing, you can't understand the example, then you will have problem. So from here, f, okay, gx is refer here, gx is x square minus 5, so x square minus 5 must put like this. Then you replace inside the f 2 bracket x square minus 5, so 2 bracket x square minus 5. Then 2 times x squared, 2x squared, 2 times -5, -10. So you have to go back to set notation. F, FG, FG, double dot, x, arrow, 2x squared minus 10. Then GF, this is GFX. GFX equal G big bracket Fx. So equal GFX is 2x. Okay, so 2x must replace inside the G. 2x bracket square minus 5. 2x bracket square minus 5. So 2x square is 2 square is 4, x square minus 5. So answer is like this, really simplified. So GF double dot x arrow 4x square minus 5. Then the C, G square is GG, double G. G big bracket GX. GX is x square minus 5. So bracket x square minus 5. So x square minus 5 must replace the G inside the G. X square minus 5 bracket square minus 5. X square minus 5 bracket square minus 5. Then you want to, let's say you want to expand it. Oh, for this situation, you must follow what you have learned from the basic maths. If let's say these two actually is like this, okay, it's the same thing, square, okay, because it's square, okay, so it's 2. So ax plus b, ax plus b. When you expand it, you get 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 4 terms. So from here, then you have simplified become 3 terms already because the x can simplify. So if you want to make it faster, okay, usually you will try to make it faster. Okay, so use this method. This one square, that means ax square, big bracket square, then plus this one if negative must together. If got negative b, so negative b square square. If no negative, then straight away plus b square. Okay, so usually will be like this. Then you must always use 2 because it's square, so got two same thing. So 2 multiply ax multiply b. So 2abx. 2abx. Okay, because positive all become positive, in negative become negative, depend how you multiply the thing. So this is how we make it very fast. So we look at this situation. Okay, x square power 2 is x power 4, x power 4. Negative 5 square is positive 25. Positive 25. Then 2 multiply, okay, negative, positive, become negative. 2 times 5 is 10. 10 times x square is 10x square. You see, 2 must multiply both. 1, 2 only, not twice, not 2 times 2. 2 multiply this one, then multiply this one, or 2 multiply this one, then this one also can. Get negative 10x squared plus 25 minus 5. Then you simplify it, x power 4 minus 10x squared plus 25 minus 5 is plus 20. Okay, so our final answer. Okay, so from here, notation g square double dot x arrow x power 4 minus 10 x power 2 plus 20. Okay, then determine this one. Okay, example 9. If fx equal to x minus 1 and gx equal to x squared minus 3x plus 4, find a fg2. Okay, before you want to find fg2, you must find the function first, the formula for fgx. So fgx equal to f big bracket gx, separate it, then gx is x squared minus 3x plus 4, x squared minus 3x plus 4. Then replace inside the f, so x squared minus 3x plus 4 minus 1, x squared minus 3x plus 4 minus 1. Then we can simplify, is 4 minus 1, you get 3. So x squared minus 3x plus 3. So from here, replace the 2 inside. So replace 2, 2, 2. So 2 square, must always put bracket when you replace anything. Minus 3 bracket 2 plus 2. Don't straight away replace the answer. Find the answer. You must show the workings of replacement. Let's say, just in case you might make the find the wrong answer. The answer is 1. Working is very important to get marks. Then we look at B. Fgx equal to 7. So Fgx given, we already found the formula equal to 7. Then from here, can find the value of x. So equal to 7. 7 bring over becomes, okay, because x squared minus 3x plus 3 equal to 7. 7 bring over become minus 7. Minus 7 plus 3, you get negative 4. So x squared minus 3x equal to minus 4 equal to 0. So from here, I can use the factorization method. So x and x squared. 4 is either 2 times 2 or 1 times 4. 2 times 2, I can't get 3. Okay, but 1 times 4, I can get 3 because 4 minus 1, I get 3. So 1 and 4. So here negative, so negative when 1 positive, 1 negative. Here negative, it means big one must be negative. The big one is negative, small one positive. Then from here, okay, negative 4 plus 1 is negative 3. That's how I get it. So x plus 1 equal to 0, x minus 4 equal to 0. So x equal to negative 1, x equal to positive 4. So two answers. So, okay. So at the moment, that's all. Okay.